When we think of Wise, formerly TransferWise, our minds often jump to seamless international money transfers and multi-currency accounts. While these are indeed core strengths, a closer look reveals that Wise offers a surprising array of features that can be incredibly beneficial for project management, especially for teams operating across borders or handling international finances. As a project management expert, I see several ways Wise can streamline workflows, enhance financial oversight, and simplify the complexities of global projects. It's crucial to understand that Wise isn't a dedicated project management software like Asana or Trello. It doesn't offer task management boards, Gantt charts, or resource allocation tools in the traditional sense. However, its financial functionalities are deeply intertwined with successful project execution, particularly for projects with an international scope. Let's delve into the specific features Wise offers that can significantly aid project management. 1. Streamlined international payments for global teams and vendors. One of the most significant advantages of Wise for project management is its efficiency in handling international payments. Projects often involve remote team members, freelancers in different countries, or international suppliers. Traditional banking methods for cross-border payments can be slow, expensive, and riddled with hidden fees. Wise provides a transparent and cost-effective alternative, allowing project managers to pay international team members and contractors quickly and easily. Wise supports payments in numerous currencies, often with faster processing times and lower fees compared to traditional bank transfers. This ensures that your global team and collaborators are paid promptly, maintaining good working relationships. For instance, if you have a graphic designer in Argentina and a web developer in India, Wise allows you to pay them in their local currencies without hefty transfer fees eating into your project budget. Manage multi-currency budgets effectively. Projects with international components often involve income and expenses in different currencies. Wise's multi-currency account allows you to hold and manage funds in various currencies, providing better control over exchange rates and reducing conversion costs. This is invaluable for project managers who need to track budgets and expenditures across different regions. Pay international invoices with ease. Whether you're procuring materials from overseas or engaging international service providers, Wise simplifies the process of paying invoices in foreign currencies. The transparency in fees and the use of the mid-market exchange rate help in accurate budgeting and cost management for your projects. 2. Enhanced financial transparency and reporting. Effective project management hinges on clear financial visibility. Wise offers features that contribute to better financial tracking and reporting for projects. Real-time exchange rates and transparent fees. Unlike traditional banks that often mark up exchange rates, Wise provides the real mid-market rate and clearly displays its fees upfront. This transparency allows project managers to have a clear understanding of the actual costs associated with international transactions, leading to more accurate budget forecasting and tracking. Detailed transaction history and statements. Wise provides a comprehensive record of all transactions, making it easier to track project-related payments and receipts. These statements can be exported and integrated with accounting software, simplifying financial reconciliation for projects. Integration with accounting software. Wise seamlessly integrates with popular accounting platforms like Xero and QuickBooks. This integration automates the process of reconciling international payments and expenses, saving project managers valuable time and reducing the risk of errors in financial reporting. 3. Simplified team expense management. For projects where team members incur international expenses, Wise offers solutions for easier management. Business debit cards for international spending. Wise provides business debit cards that team members can use for project-related expenses while traveling or making online purchases in foreign currencies. These cards often come with no foreign transaction fees, helping to control costs and providing a convenient way for team members to manage their spending. Project managers can set spending limits on these cards for better budget control. Team access and permission controls. Wise allows project managers to grant different levels of access to team members, enabling them to view transactions or make payments while maintaining overall control over the account. This facilitates efficient expense management within the project team.